Welcome back to Address Logics. This is our second video. One of the common questions I have is from some of our clients is we have data that is separated into, as you see above, first name, middle name, last name, as opposed to a single column with first name, middle name, last name all combined. The NCOA product by the post office uses a combined name field. As you can see in our upload CSV file, the name field is a single column. Of course, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip, and record ID are the rest of the columns for our system to read into. I wanted to create a quick video and show some of our clients if they needed to combine those names into a single column. How about they'd go about doing that? It's pretty easy. Once you do it a few times, you can breeze through it pretty easily. The formula we see here in row 12, A1 ampersand quotes space ampersand B1. That's the official equation we're going to use, and basically that's saying take the data from column A, John, Sarah, William, Rachel, add a space, which is why we have a quotes with the space there, to the middle, which is column B, which all of them have middle names for Tyler in this example, add a space, and then add column C to the end of that, and you should get a combined name of first name, space, middle name, space, last name. To do a formula in Excel, basically click on the column that you want to start the formula with. In this one, we're going to start with the first record lines, which is in row 2. Row 1 has some header information just to show you that it's first name, middle name, last name. To start an equation, hit the equal sign. We're going to go ahead and type that formula. In this case, we're going to take column A, row 2 to start with, as you can see here. Ampersand, which means add that to a space, which is quotes, the space bar, quotes, ampersand to add the next. This time we're actually going to add the data, which is column B, B2, ampersand, we're going to add a space in between, quotes, space bar, quotes, ampersand, the last name, which would be the C column, and then hit enter when you're finished. And you'll see a final product there, John Tyler Smith. Looks good. The next thing you need to do is you need to break this out to all the rest of your data. Really easy. Click on the column itself. You'll still notice that it has the formula, even though it's displaying the correct data, which is exactly what we want. Go ahead and right click on that, copy. Go ahead and highlight the rest of the columns you want to perform this task for. Right click, paste. Excel automatically recognizes that the same formula you're using here is using the same row columns, and it's going to automatically add 1 to the next column, so it's taking all 3 of these. Row 4, it's going to take all that data, which is pretty cool. It saves you a lot of work of having to upstep your formula. We're not quite out of the woods yet. Currently in column D, even though it's displaying first name, middle name, and last name, it's still a formula, and we need to get the data out of it. To do that, go ahead and highlight all the data, copy, and when you go to paste that into our upload file, we can't do the usual paste like we did for the formula. We have to do a paste special. So go ahead and highlight the first row that you're going to start pasting the data in. Right click. This time choose Paste Special. Here you're going to see a few different options. We're not going to paste the formula. We want the actual end result values. There's no operations on this. We're not dealing with any numbers. Go ahead and click the OK. And you will now notice that the name is a combined name field next to our address 1. When you click on the cells themselves, you'll notice that there's actual data here, as opposed to where we did our work. You'll notice in these cells there's still a formula. Go back. And you are all set. I hope this video helps. Any questions, feel free to reach us on our Zopum chat or our main website, www.addresslogics.com. Thank you. Take care.